This video, we're tackling a common issue: PayPal putting your money on hold. Whether you're a seller, freelancer, or just got paid, it can be frustrating when your funds are delayed. Don't worry, I'll explain why it happens and how to fix it fast, or at least speed it up. Let's dive in. So, why is PayPal holding your money? PayPal may place a hold on your funds for up to 21 days due to new seller account, unusual selling activity, high risk items or services, buyer dispute or complaints, no tracking info provided, or unverified account. So, how to fix or speed up your PayPal money on hold? So, um, first is add tracking information for physical goods. So, if you're shipping a product, just go to activity from PayPal, just go to activity, and then after that, just select transaction. For example, this one. After that, add tracking info. Click add tracking info. And after that, enter the carrier and tracking number. You can also put here the order status. For example, hold. And then after that, you can just click the submit option here. And PayPal will release the funds one day after confirmed delivery from USPS, UPS, FedEx, etc. Second option is update your order status for digital goods or services. If you sold a service, sent digital goods, or completed freelance work, go to activity again. And then after that, choose the payment. And then after that, just click this one, the add tracking info. And then select the order status for order process, this one, or service rendered. And mark it as completed. And then after that, just hit submit. Funds may be released in 7 days or sooner if there's no issue. Third option, ask the buyer to confirm the receipt. This can instantly release your funds in some cases. So for you to be able to do that, from PayPal, go to PayPal activity again. After that, click the transaction. After that, select confirm receipt, only available for goods and services only payments. Once confirmed, funds are usually released within minutes. So note, this option may not always appear for the buyer depending on their account type or region. Number 4 is verify and improve your account to prevent future holds. You can add and confirm your email, phone number, and bank. Also, build a positive selling history. Avoid disputes, refunds, and chargebacks, and keep your account in good standing. And the fifth option is wait it out. If you're a new seller or it's your first few transactions, PayPal might hold money for up to 21 days even without issues. You can speed this up by consistently using tracking info, maintaining a clean record using PayPal regularly. To avoid these mistakes, don't mark digital orders as shipped without real tracking. It can flag your account. Don't ask buyers to send friends and family for business. It removes your protection and violates PayPal policies. So, final tip: to release PayPal money faster, always confirm deliveries, provide accurate tracking, and keep your account verified and trusted. With a solid record, future payments will clear faster. And that's it for today. I hope this video helps you, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech tips.